This is the first startup, and I'm gonna see if the exhaust sounds any different. Look at this can of paint next to this downpipe. I mean, it's huge. We back here at the famous Ken's Automotive. I finally got the right downpipe, guys. Thank God. And this thing is a beast. 4-inch, made by Evolution Raceworks. I ceramic coated it myself with the VHT FLAMEPROOF, and I'm gonna cure it on the car. So it's 4 coats of VHT primer and 4 coats of VHT flat black. And we're also putting in a new O2 sensor that was giving me a little problem. So we're getting it up in the air now, guys. Then it's time for that stage 2. Stage 2. Yeah. See that new front mount intercooler in there. Yeah, it's a beast. And it's only a stage 1 on here.
You tuned it?
I tuned it with the stage 1 because I need that for the stage 2. So I can just imagine how the stage 2 gonna be. Crazy. Yeah, but this thing like rips. It actually like breaks traction almost immediately. Yeah. I say, damn. Yeah, straight 6, twin turbo straight 6. Yeah, well, it's a single turbo, but twin scroll.
Yeah. But they've been utilizing that motor for a long time.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good solid motor. It's tough.
And there we go, guys. We're getting this piece of crap out of there. Now this is gonna be a epic comparison. Woo! That bitch is smoking hot.
Okay. Now we got one new O2 sensor, right?
Yep.
What's up, wild man?
Now this pipe should fit in there perfectly.
Yeah.
See, like,
I can already tell.
let's flip this over so we can.
Hold that one straight up.
No, I was gonna flip this.
Right
Yep.
there.
Oh.
That's it, right there.
Yep.
That bitch is hot, so be careful.
Look, perfect.
Yeah. This bracket's a little off, but that doesn't mean anything. You see, they put a nice dent in it.
Yeah, because the pipe was
Yeah,
so.
that's how-
It's a dent in here too, though.
Yeah,
See.
that's how they, yeah, so it fits.
Like he want to try to hurry up and ride through the hood so everybody can see him. Yeah, but you're gonna be left right out there at the stop sign once the motor blowed. Then they're gonna be laughing at you.
Never
Idiot.
mind, do it, run. Shine.
Exactly. Got the downpipe in. I'm finna do the first startup, and these are the curing instructions for the vehicle. So I'm gonna crank it up, let it run for idle 10 minutes, cool for 20, run for 20, cool for 20, and drive around for 30, guys. This is the first startup, and I'm gonna see if the exhaust sounds any different. Oh, it's definitely a lot deeper. Definitely a lot deeper. So I'm gonna let this thing go through the heat cycles, guys, and I'm gonna hit you back. What's going on, Auto Lust gang? We finally got the catless downpipe on. Now we finna switch to boot mod stage 2 and see what type of horsepower and torque we can get out of here. So first we finna turn this joker on. Y'all already know the drill. Turn it on, turn any lights off. Let me turn this AC off. Turn any lights off, anything running for no reason. Turn everything off. And let's get the tuning this thing, guys. So I gotta open up the other software. Sorry guys about the glare on the screen because I'm doing it outside. So let me get this thing open for you guys. I know you probably can't see. I'm gonna try to put it so you can see. All right, hold on 1 minute. Boot mod software is opening. I need to get out the camera too because I look a hot mess. Been running around all day today. Yeah, but it's taking a little time to pull this up, but and guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tune the transmission as well. So we're connecting to the vehicle, and let's go back to boot mod screen, and now we're connected. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna go to my maps, and we're gonna put the stage 2, not the race gas, just the regular stage 2, guys. That race gas coming soon though. So for this tune, you need a high flow downpipe and an upgraded intercooler, which we have. And then we're gonna flash it. Flash now. Go over here to flash. And it should be pretty quick, guys. If it's not quick, because the DME is already unlocked, the ECU is already unlocked. So if it doesn't, hold on a minute. Downloading stage 2 octane map. Okay, it's downloading from the server. But if it doesn't flash real quick, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, movie magic till when it's about done. But okay, flash in progress, preparing to write. Let's see how fast it writes with the DME already unlocked. Oh, super fast. Crazy fast. Oh yeah, no need for movie magic, guys. No need for movie magic, because it's done. Yep. That's it. So it's restoring the code. Restoring all the factory codings, guys. And it's gonna erase the codes. Now it's clearing all the codes for the ECU. And then we're gonna code that transmission next, guys. And I'm doing this without any type of battery charger because you know it should be kind of quick since the DME is already unlocked. So, and like my battery is a brand new battery anyways. Okay, success. Turn off the ignition off, wait 5 seconds, then start car. So we're gonna turn the ignition off, wait 5 seconds. Then we're gonna start the car. And as you see, when I start the car, no lights at all. All the lights are off. And now I'm gonna turn it back off. And we're gonna do the transmission flash, guys. All right. So now we're gonna go back out of my maps because right now we have the stage 2 on the car. I'm gonna go back down to transmission here. And this transmission tune is only for the 8-speed with the N55 engine. So just to let you guys know. Now we're gonna flash the TCU, flashing, and let's go. Hopefully this is fast too, but we're finna find out real soon here. Flash in progress, preparing to write. I can't wait, guys. I still have to install the new spark plugs. Well, this one is going not as fast as the other one, so, but it's moving pretty fast still, like 10% already. But I still have to install the stage, the 2 steps colder, spark plugs, gap to 0.020, and install my K&N high flow filter, guys. So I'm gonna let this go ahead and write, and then I'll be right back when it's done, guys. We're at 95% complete, and there's the transmission tune. Whoo! This thing is finna be a beast. This thing is finna be a true beast, guys. Restoring codings. Okay, nothing on the dashboard this time because it's doing a transmission tune, not an engine tune. So it's finishing up. Finishing everything up. Okay, okay. All right, guys, it's been finishing up for a little minute now. So, okay, there we go. Let's turn it off. Wait 5 seconds and turn it back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now guys, let's start it up. And we should have stage 2 boot mod and also the transmission tune. All right, all the lights on the dashboards are off, no codes, and I think we're good to go, guys. Yep, we're good to go, guys. All right, guys, so I got some really good news and some really bad news. The good news is the stage 2 tune 93 octane boot mod 3 went through perfectly fine. Transmission tune perfectly fine, but the O2 sensor I was sent upstream, it just turned out to be all type of trailer park trashy. Like, it don't work. I mean, it worked for maybe 30 minutes and then I started getting codes about it, so I took it out, put the original one in, and now that the car's tuned, like they always say, I'm gonna tell you right now, when you tune your car, if you have any underlying hidden problems wrong with that car, when you tune it, I guarantee you they'll show themselves, and that's not a bad thing. Be happy about it so you can get them fixed straight up, because that tune puts a lot more, you know, pressure on the engine, you feel what I'm saying, and the systems in the computer. So that tune will bring those problems out, especially if they're drivetrain problems, anything dealing with the exhaust, cooling, you know, stuff like that, misfires and stuff like that. So what I did is I ordered an OEM one, you know, forget all of that part store crap. I ordered an OEM one, and when that one comes in, I'm gonna get that one put in, and then guys, you already know what time it is. The M6 better not hide from me. The M6 better not hide from me, because we gonna race the M6, guys. You know, place your bets down in the comments, because we finna race the M6. I don't care about how much horsepower he got. Man, that F1535i finna be a beast. So place your bets, man. This is going to be the end of this video. But guys, stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you guys could get the new videos that I put up, because we definitely racing the M6. So I see you guys on the next video. Auto Let's Stop.